sponsored by. In a historical event, the much-awaited Surya Tilak ceremony of Ram Lala's idol was held in the Garbhagriha of Ayodhya's Ram Mandir on the occasion of Ram Navami on Wednesday. Not only did the grand ceremony mark another historical event, but the day arrived after 500 years of struggle, witnessing celebrations of Ram Lala's birthday in his very birthplace. With the mesmerizing chants of Ram Bhajan, notably this was the first time the Surya Tilak ceremony took place in Ayodhya since the Pran Pratishtha of the idol of Lord Ram, which PM Modi inaugurated on January 22 this year. As part of the Surya Tilak ceremony and the enchanting rituals that lasted for about an hour, the sun's rays hit Ram Lala's forehead in Ayodhya at sharp 12 noon, with the tilak sizing around 58 mm. To make it even more grand, the significant ceremony was recorded and played on the large LED screens in nearly 100 places across Ayodhya. On the auspicious occasion of Surya Tilak, thousands of Ram Bhakts from all corners of the country witnessed the live telecast of Ram Lala's birth rituals. Meanwhile, PM Modi, who is currently occupied with Lok Sabha polls 2024 campaigns, also congratulated people on the occasion of Ram Navami, saying that this is the day nationals have waited for too long. After centuries of unparalleled patience and countless sacrifices, our Prabhu Ram has returned, he said. After the address, Prime Minister Modi posted a picture and wrote, "Wonderful moment. After waiting for 5 centuries, today we have the privilege of celebrating this Ram Navami in Ayodhya in this manner. This is the fruit of so many years of hard penance, sacrifice for the countrymen."
आज राम नवमी का पवित्र पर्व भी है। 500 वर्षों के बाद, लंबे इंतजार के बाद वो रामनवमी आई है जब भगवान राम अयोध्या में भव्य मंदिर में विराजमान है। प्रभु श्री राम जो कभी टेंट में रहते थे, आज भव्य मंदिर में सूर्य किरणों ने उनके मस्तक का अभिषेक किया है। और हमारा सौभाग्य देखिए, ऐसे पवित्र और ऐतिहासिक अवसर पर हम सभी नॉर्थ ईस्ट की इस पवित्र धरती पर हैं, जहां सूर्य की किरणें सबसे पहले पहुंचती है। आज सूर्य की किरणें देश के नए प्रकाश का प्रतीक बन रही है।
The scientific fact. The event of Surya Tilak was made possible by an elaborate mechanism involving mirrors and lenses. Scientists from IIT Roorkee were roped in to design the Surya Tilak mechanism. They employed an apparatus with high-quality mirrors and lenses to precisely direct the sun's rays onto Ram Lala's forehead at a specific time. The optomechanical system consists of 4 mirrors and 4 lenses fitted inside the tilt mechanism and piping systems. The complete cover with an aperture for the tilt mechanism is placed on the top floor to divert the sun's rays through mirrors and lenses to the Garbhagriha. The final lens and mirror focuses the sun rays on the forehead of Sri Ram facing east. The tilt mechanism is used to adjust the first mirror's tilt, sending the sun rays in the north direction to the second mirror to make the Surya Tilak. Surya Tilak is practiced in other temples before Ram Mandir. Surya Abhishek was performed in other temples as well, like Suryanar Kovil Temple in Tamil Nadu, Narayana Swami Temple, Mahalakshmi Temple in Maharashtra and Konark Sun Temple in Odisha. However, the ritual has found a place in people's hearts and memories with Ram Lala's grand Surya Abhishek on Ram Navami.